First night on the boat. A lot of old boat smells. Not my favorite thing in the world, old boat smells. But... So, okay, let's unearth the mainsail here. Many layers of green, grimy gopher guts. Let's see. We were pleasantly surprised the condition of the jib, so maybe that will be the case with the main. Lines tied.
Lots of green lines.
No, yeah, they're like tied.
Well, I'm sure it was for all the hurricanes.
I know, but it's like pickup sticks. Lines on top of lines, running through other lines. I don't know what's first and what's second. You're gonna be buying. You're gonna buy a lot of rope to make lines. There's lots of crusty. It's like one of those really intricate Christmas presents where they wrap it up and your mom's like, and make sure that you save that packaging, that paper's so pretty. We'll make a project.
Save the bow.
Yeah, no. You just have to, this is one where it's so bad you have to save the paper. You're trying to figure out where all the tape joints are. Oh, don't tear that paper. We'll use that for something nice.
And did you ever? Here we go.
It is. I mean, at one time this was a very nice sail configuration, though.
Oh yeah, tell them what this sailboat was at the beginning.
This was a sailboat.
For
So this was one of those we think it was probably like on a lease back. But so this was used as a rental unit for for somebody's fleet. So somebody that was looking to rent a nice sailboat to take out. So if you look at this, what this was, so this system was so that you could zipper this like remotely. So the sail would all fall into this bag, which basically sat open here, and then the sail falls into the bag, and then you're done. You just pull the line from the back, and it runs. These lines run the zipper up. Probably this is really hard to tell. Here.
Hoist her up. Or was it broken in one loop?
I'm not exactly sure where So some of these lines, well, some of them just have to be cut off. This one is sewn here because, basically the cover for the mainsail is never supposed to come off, but we have to cut it because it has to come off. There you go, it just tears. And off.
We are fixing our MackPack. Zipper is destroyed and a lot of sun damage, so we're going through and sewing up where the sun had just damaged the thread.
So here on the mast side of the stack pack, I need to put something over so that the zipper can't come all the way off. So I'm just going to use a small piece of webbing, and because I don't have one of those fancy Sailrite heat guns, waxed line. Anyway, just a little. And yes, it has come to this. Get the sail hardware, or the zipper foot actually installed on this. That's a little off, so you can see that that's easier to see. I'm off. So what I'm going to do is unzip it, go back and modify it on the other side. Now, on this end, because this end we don't ever want to come apart, I'm going to do the same stitching, and now I'm just going to go around here so that the end of the zipper can never come off here.